Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Jack up the car, unscrew the wheel nuts, remove the wheel. I put the wheel under the car for extra protection. Make sure to use the jack stands. Here you can see a sway bar link which is broken from the bottom side. It was so rusty. Here you can see 13mm nut. You can also see the bolt head is Torx. Torx key needed to be used to stop rotation of the bolt along with the nut. But I'm going to use the impact gun to make the process faster. That's another view of sway bar link. The bolts are very rusty. First of all, I'm gonna use wire brush to clean up the surface and spray with a penetrating oil so that it will be easy to unscrew the bolt. Using the hammer to push the bolt out. Here you can see how it was broken from the bottom side. Here is the challenge how to open the bottom bolt because it's broken. So there are two ways we can use. One is to use an angle grinder to cut off the bolt or a vice grip method. I'm gonna use a vice grip method. Here is my setup. I'm using long ratchet with the medium size extension and the vice grip. Now I'm using a small ratchet since the bolt has broken free. Cleaning the surface with wire brush and brake cleaner. Here is the brand new sway bar link, and make sure that it matches the old one. And here I can see that it looks the same. Let's install it. Make sure you can tighten up with the proper torque specs. You can check the torque specs from your user manual of the car. The upper side seems a bit of challenge. You can see here that I need to push down the sway bar in order to mount the bolt. I'm using a jack stand, and also I'm gonna use pry bar to push the sway bar down so that it will fit. Tie rod end is on the way, so I have to remove this first. For that I'm gonna use a pry bar or a tie rod end removal tool. I'm gonna show you both methods. And here is a tie rod removal tool, that also called a ball joint removal tool. It makes the job easy. Here you can see I am using a breaker bar. I needed a medium sized pry bar which I didn't have, so I'm using this breaker bar, but it does the job. Here you can see that tire head and bolt is rotating alongside the nut, so I have to use pry bar and push from the bottom side to give it a support. The new sway bar link has been installed now. If this video was helpful for you, hit the like button and consider it subscribing.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.